to buy Airena or AAI Arena token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on AutoSnipe. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, if you find your money for that, click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, as you can see, click on it and here type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token without if you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Arena token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.